Stop by and take a look at the 2009 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better fuel economy, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise. This vehicle has less than 140,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sunroof, roof rails, rear spoiler, tire pressure monitoring system, remote keyless entry, daytime running lamps, fog lamps, front wheel drive, remote vehicle start, OnStar. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.